There's a shortage, that's all we can get. So you just gotta be patient, try to work with the gentlemen, ask different guys that are working, and see how you can get the amount that you'd like to get. In Esperanza this morning. So if you're buying large quantities of this stuff right here from the factory, you can show up and purchase. We're at the gate at the factory. There's also an exchange rate here where you can come and resell empty bottles as well. So I just chat with one of the gentlemen in the line on the other side, on the right hand side. He said that they started it again where you can come Monday through Friday from opening, which will be 8 a.m. till 12 noon to resale. There will be times when they might not, but it's every day that it's available where you could come and sell merchandise to the factory. I have done it a few times too. I've gotten in line and sell, and it's worth it. You just have to bring more than 3 cases. And I also recommend that you got to wash the bottles and stuff before you come. They do purchase back the crates as well too. We got here early, so we were the first one in line. Actually, we showed up here just after 7 a.m., just a few minutes after. Load it down. Pelican, the beer of Belize. Yes, then I win. They only buy back Bowen and Bowen products here too as well. Where this red truck is, I highly recommend stopping in there. They do have a tad bit of construction supplies up in there. They also carry dog supplies, I do believe. It's been a while since I've been in there. And I do believe they have light household items as well available in there as well. So stop on by and check them out. Right here where my fingernail is blotting out where the red semi truck is. Now while you're in Belize, don't just try Belican Stout and Belican beer. I know they have several other types of beers as well that they also make. Be open to trying all when you come for a little vacation. While you wait, you can stop in there and get your breakfast. Black license plates are for companies that do delivery and sell stuff. I just saw yellow and green. I do believe that might be Council. I'll have to check it out. And if I can get the info, I'll put it in the description. Made with maize and fillings, and then you top it off with that, and you can make it extra special with some Marie Sharp. Sit down with a nice ice cold Sprite or soda of your choice. Stop on in at Gracias Amor here in Esperanza, right next to the Coca-Cola factory. Bowen and Bowen, right next to Bowen and Bowen entrance.
Yeah, nice.
They also sell flour and corn tortillas as well.
Celoso. No.
So soursop boils, soursop with what?
Canela.
Canela? For high blood pressure, right?
Cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon stick? Okay.
No, that's for the sugar.
Oh, for the sugar? Okay. So if you have sugar, high blood pressure, you use the baby soursop leaf with cinnamon stick, make a tea. She said the baby ones. And do not put more than 9. It will be too strong or high of a concentrate.
Yeah.
Enjoying some empanadas and burritos and cold sodas while we wait in line. Don't come asking for credit, because you can only get credit till tomorrow. So this one is stuffed with chicken. Just covered it up with the hot sauce, sorry. A taste of heaven. Give a hoot, don't pollute. When you see these guys around, these are their sales rep. So when you come in and you're purchasing, there's a little chaos here, so you just got to be patient. They will tell you that you need to come over here and chat with a gentleman that sits at this table when you're here to purchase. When you're here to sell, you got to get in line. They'll organize it as best as they can. Just be patient, and then they'll get them squared off, and once they get squared off, the gentleman will work his way back over here, and once you see him get over there, then you can purchase. Just be patient. It's designed and set up for everyone's safety and security. 2, I highly recommend that you talk to the security guard and ask him for information and direction when you come in as well. So you go over there and you get your merchandise checked out. I highly recommend you wash them, even if it's a small portion. Wash and clean them before coming over. And on holidays and stuff, just you have to have extra patience when you come to the factory, because you know there are limited things that are available to the general public. Gotta put that love the Belizean flag. Just communicate with the sales rep and let them know what all you want, and you'll be able to get assistance. Just be patient and take your time. Make sure you bring your bottles, otherwise you'll have to pay for your bottles. And then you pay the cashier over here. Bring your empties. Just follow the instruction. Bring your empties. Follow their instructions. And then they'll work with you and get you whatever you need. So once you get situated, if you're selling, you have to take them out of the containers or whatever you bring them in. You got to take them out, make sure they're properly clean, and then you assort them, put them in the different crates. Keep an eye on the amount that you have, and then you coordinate and communicate with the sales rep that's over there as well, and they'll send you over here to come get squared off. These are empties. Once you get that squared off, they make a receipt for you. Go over there, and then you make your way over to the cashier and take care of that. Once that gets squared off, then they'll bring out your merchandise.